legit. Anything you want.
Petro's value raised as Venezuelan government plans to combat criminal dollar. The world of cryptocurrencies has seen many ups and downs recently, with several proponents in the space pushing hard for the mainstream adoption of digital assets. One unlikely candidate has been Petro, the state-backed cryptocurrency created by the Nicolas Maduro-led Venezuelan government. The cryptocurrency has drawn a lot of flack from its citizens as well as bodies from around the globe, the main issue pertaining to the lack of oil that Petro is supposed to be linked to. Another major issue in Venezuela is the rampant rise of inflation and the growing dissidence in the public forum. The latest update on Petro from the government of Venezuela states that the value of the cryptocurrency will be hiked to 36,000 sovereign bolivars. The state said that the increase in a higher minimum wage is aimed to combat the criminal dollar. In a video, Maduro stated, "Want us to create a great alliance to produce and create new formulas of investment and financing." The newly proposed plan is to increase the minimum wages by 300% to 18,000 bolivars per month, while simultaneously increasing the value of Petro by 4 times. The president has said that this new framework will stabilize the crumbling economy, an economy that analysts predicted would touch the rate of 1,000,000% in 2018. Criticisms against the new model are far-ranging, involving economists and opposition leaders. Juan Guaido, the leader of the Nation Assembly of Venezuela, had said, "Ode, Nicolas Maduro mocks the Venezuelan people, once again, after taking economic measures that only bleed more in the pocket of Venezuelans. The Venezuelan economy does not improve with an increase in the salary." Elsewhere, Asdrubal Oliveros, the director of Econalytica, a research organization, gave his opinion by saying, "Here is no intention to rectify the direction of the economy, so it will continue on its deteriorating path in 2019. Petro was also in the news recently when Nicolas Maduro's government filed a complaint in the World Trade Organization (WTO) against the sanctions taken by the United States. The complaint read, "The United States has imposed certain coercive trade restrictive measures on the Bolivarian Republic of Venezuela in the context of attempts to isolate Venezuela economically." Venezuela, Parliament approves crypto bill to combat financial blockade. The Constituent National Assembly of Venezuela has approved a bill on cryptocurrency regulation, the country's Ministry for Communication and Information reported Ov. 21. The law was proposed by the country's leader Nicolas Maduro and consists of 64 articles and 5 transitory provisions. It validates Petro, Venezuela's controversial oil-backed cryptocurrency, as a unit of commercial exchange within the country, and states that goods and services can also be purchased with Petro. According to Cuban state news agency Prensa Latina, the Assembly has also approved amendments to current anti-money laundering law. Under the new rules, Venezuela's crypto exchange is reportedly allowed to carry foreign exchange operations using Petro. As per Andres Eloy Mendez, the head of the Special Commission on Crypto Frameworks cited in the ministry's official release, the new measures are being taken primarily to combat the financial and commercial blockade from the government. Mendez said that Petro can help effectively avoid sanctions and to establish new international business relationships, as it is not controlled by the state's central bank and, therefore, cannot be subject to any restrictions. Venezuela officially launched Petro for sale in late October. The state-issued cryptocurrency can only be purchased at the official website or in public offices, as the Petro digital wallet has been suspended by Google. As Cointelegraph previously reported, Maduro, along with Venezuela's establishment, has been actively involved in Petro promotion since it was first announced in December 2017. In August, Venezuela's President Ferredo used the coin as a unit of account for salaries, goods and services. In September, Maduro claimed that Petro will be used for international commercial transactions. Finally, Maduro was among the first officials who registered Petro's website and bought the digital currency. Most recently, the head of Venezuela's state oil company Manuel Quevedo announced that the country will present Petro as a unit of account for crude oil trading to the Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries (OPEC) in 2019. This summer, Wired magazine called the national cryptocurrency a smoke curtain to conceal Maduro's recent failure to reanimate the country's fiat, the sovereign bolivar. Earlier this year, a Reuters report claimed that Petro was not backed by oil nor mined anywhere in the country. More recently, The Economist, in its turn, outed that Petro is not listed on any of the world's major crypto exchanges.